Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional document in Microsoft 365 Word. So I will show you here the 6 ways. The first one is document structure. Second, text editing and formatting. Third, precise control of line spacing. Fourth, add header, footer, and page numbers. Fifth, add images from computer or online. And last one is precise control of text and image using tables. Now we're going to the first one, which is document structure. Microsoft Word offers a diverse range of pre-designed templates tailored for various document types. Leveraging these templates can significantly streamline the document creation process and ensure a consistent and professional appearance. From business reports to creative flyers, templates provide a solid foundation of your work. Now, in this sample, I'm going to open a sample document here. For example, this one is a free text data. So as you can see, we have here 4 pages. So as you can see, if we're going to scroll down here, we have the 4 pages. Now, if we're going to click on the button at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, and then it will show you here some of the information to understand the document structure. Here you have the statistics of the word count. Now here, the first step that we're going to do to basically create a professional document is by giving it a name. So what we can do here, we can basically close the navigation right here and then click on the name right there at the top. So here, what you can do is basically you just have to enter the file name and you can also set up the location. So you just have to type here the title or the file name so you can find it anytime on your folder. Now, if you want to need to add a title on this document, you just need to select here. For example, if you go at the top, we can basically create a main title or header of this document. So basically, you just have to create a space and then type here, for example, this one is sample title for this document. So make sure that you have the correct spelling. So once you have just created your heading, what you can do here, just select this one, and then you can basically select the style right there at the top. And here, if I'm going to select heading 1, heading 2, and then we have the title over here. So as you can see, we have the title for this document and we can choose the font color if you want. There you go. And also you can choose special symbols right here. Basically, this word has special symbols. Here, if you want to see end of the line symbol, you just need to click this to show or hide the symbol. So if you're going to basically click this icon, then it will show you that icon at the end of the line. So for example, so just click the symbol here. So as you can see, it will now be show up on your document. Next is text editing and formatting. Consistency in font styles, sizes, and formatting is paramount for creating a polished document. Establishing a uniform visual style throughout your content enhances readability and gives the document a cohesive and professional look. Paying attention to details like bullet points, indents, and line spacing contributes to a visually appealing layout. So you just have to select here, for example, you can select the text and you can change the alignment and also the font style, font size, and the font color. Next is the precise control of line spacing. Microsoft Word allows you to control the line spacing of the document. Line spacing is one of the paragraph controls as you can see here at the top. So if you're going to click this option, you'll find the line spacing options. So to use this one, you just have to select the text from your document. For example, this one here. So once you choose that one, then go to line spacing options and select any of the option here. So as you can see, we have just adjusted the line spacing. And also, if we're going to click on line spacing options, you'll find some different options that you can apply. Here, if we're going to select multiple, and you can change the value. For example, this one is less than 1, so maybe zero point 0.9, and click this OK button. So as you can see here, the result. So this feature is very useful if you want to fit the document in certain number of spaces. Now let's add header, footer, and page numbers. Including headers and footer is an effective way to organize and enhance the overall structure of your document. Essential information such as document title, page numbers, and dates can be strategically placed in this section. This not only adds a professional touch but also aids in navigation, particularly in lengthy documents. Now, to add a header or footer, you just need to click on the Insert tab and find the header section. So as you can see, if you click on header, then here you will find different display that you want for your header. So we have a built-in display like the blank 3 columns. We have Austin, and also we have banded. And also here we have this facet, even page, facet odd page, filigree, grid. We have the integral. We have the ion dark and light. We have the motion, even in odd pages. Retrospect. We have also some slice, view master, and wisp. Now in this sample, I'm going to choose here this banded. So if you're going to click this one, then you can edit the header name. For example, this one is quick files. There you go. Another way here, if you want to add a footer, just click Insert tab and select Footer option. And you just have to select the same display or the same option here, like on your header. So like this, and you can just type here your footer name. So there you have it. And then you can also go to your page numbers. So if you're going back to the Insert tab right over here, or under header and footer, you can change the options on your page numbers. So as you can see right from here, this is very useful, and you will now see it to all of the pages on your document. So if you're going to scroll down, so from the first page up to the last page, you will see all the pages shows the header and the footer that we have just created. Now let's add images from computer or online. So to do that, you just need to select any location here and then click Insert and then click on Pictures. As you can see here, you will find some options if you want to insert pictures from this device, stock images, and online pictures. For example, if I'm going to click on this device, then it will show you this folder and just need to select any pictures from your computer. Or basically, if you want to select stock images, here you will find all the stock images from internet that you can basically use to your document. For example, I'm going to just type here Earth, and then you will find the same topic. For example, you just need to select and click Insert. Now, another way here, if we're going back and click Insert, and we just need to click on Online Pictures, and as you can see, it will show you up the Bing search where you can find the specific images that you want to add to your document. We have some different categories right over here. So for example, I want a picture like a house, and it will show you all the pictures about this topic. So if I'm going to choose one here, you just need to select or click the picture that you want and then click Insert. Now waiting for this picture. So there you go. Then, as you can see, we have the image. Now, if you don't want the image on this location, you just need to right click and click on cut. And then here you just have to look for or navigate to your document, select on this part, and then right click again and select this option. So there you go. So we have just changed the location of the image. And also here, you can customize or edit the picture. So to do that, you just need to go to image and then right click. And we have some options here, like if you want to basically change the picture, or you can add some group, add a link, for example, or if you want to insert caption, wrap text, view all text, size and position, and also if you want to change the format picture. Here on format picture, you can basically change the picture correction, the color, the design, if you want to add text box. So you just have to select any options to customize your image. So for example, I'm going to click on insert caption. Here you can basically add a caption for this image. So it will have a like the description about the picture. So for example, this one here, and then once you click on OK, if we scroll down, then you will find the caption right here at the bottom. And also you can change the style of the feature. Just need to click on the picture and click on style option. And here you just have to select the style that you want. If you want to add some simple frame like this one, frame with a or white frame like this. So as you can see here, we have just added a frame. You can also try the different style like this. So as you can see, we have several options or styles that you can basically use or try or preview to your document that match to your branding. So just need to basically find the style option. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to select a modern look like this one. So we have the image here. You can try another one here. So we have some different options like this. So we have some modern look, we have the old looks or like simple frames. And you can basically save this one to save all your changes on your document. Now, lastly, we have precise control of text and image using tables. When integrating tables and graphics, ensure they are aligned correctly and contribute meaningfully to the document's clarity. Tables should be used to present data in an organized manner, and graphics should enhance the visual appeal without overpowering the content. Proper alignment and spacing help maintain a professional and polished appearance. For example, here, if I'm going to add an image, for example, going to select on the stock image right here. Now, if we have the image, for example, then we can basically resize it if you want. And then if you want to add a table and put this image, you just need to click on the insert tab right there at the top. And you just need to insert, for example, you can insert a table. So you just need to select the location for the table and you can set, for example, I want to add two tables. So all you need to do here to put the image, you just need to go to image and you can basically click or right click on this one and then click on cut. And once you cut on this image, then go to table and paste it right over here. So as you can see, we have the image on the table, and here you can basically resize the image if necessary. Now, if the picture has a specific text that relevant to that picture, you might consider cutting this text and paste it to the table, right? And paste it right over here. There you go. Then the last step here that we can do after we paste the text, we can now select the table and make sure that the borders on the table are not visible. So to do that, if I'm going to select the table here, then we're going to the option which is table design, right? I think we shouldn't need to click on the table. So table design right there at the top. So click on this one and just select the no border style. So you will find it right over here. So there you go. Now once you select, the border of the table disappear and the text smoothly flows around the picture. So here it will now be hidden if you try to print this document or going to the reading mode. So that's how you basically create a professional document on Microsoft Word. So conclusion, Microsoft Word's robust set of features combined with these tips for professional document creation empowers users to produce high quality and visually appealing content for a variety of purposes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a student working on an assignment, mastering these aspects of Word can significantly elevate the quality of your documents. So that's it. So thank you for watching and see you on the next video.